Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is fraction. No need digest book. Number 16 is our subtopic, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication of a fraction. So in this one, the exercise 16.1 we are going to cover, and with some solved examples before the 16.1 exercise on page number 259. So there is a solve examples. The total 4 questions are there. So question number 1 is there: what is the sum of the fractions 1 by 2, then 1 by 3, and 1 by 4? So this summation of these three fraction we have to calculate. So we will make the additions of this one, but for this one these are not a like fractions, means their denominator are not same, so we have to make the denominator same. For this one, what is the LCM, or we can say the common multiple? So for here the nearest common multiples after these numbers means there is a 12, because there is a 3 also. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, so 6 could not be divided by 4. So 4 multiplied by 3 is there, so that is a 12, and 4 is a multiple of the 2 also. So 3 4s are 12. So 12 is the nearest multiples, or we can say the LCM. So to make the 12 for all the denominators, so 1 by 2 multiply by here, to make it the 12, here multiply by 6. So same 6 has to multiply in a numerator also, plus 1 by 3. So 3 multiply by 4 we have to take to get the 12. Same 4 multiply by to the numerator also, and then plus 1 multiply by here we have to make the 4 to the 12. So here 4 multiply by 3 we have to do, and this 3 also we have to multiply to the 1 in numerator. So after this one, so 1 multiply by 6 is 6 by 12, plus this is the 4 by 12, and then plus 3 by 12. Now all are the now like fraction, then we can make the addition. Now the denominator is same, means we have to make it the denominator same, it is keep it as it is same. Then 6 plus 4, 10 plus 13, this is a 10 plus 3 is a 13. So answer is 13 by 12, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 2, if the sum of 21 by, so there is a asterisk, means we can say the star, like a star shape. Okay, so I just make it like a star. So 21 divided by star, plus there's 23 divided by this star, or we can say 23 by asterisk, is equals to 1. Now both are the same, means both the locations in the asterisk, means both the digits are the same. Okay, so we have to find out this asterisk. So we will keep it the additions on the same, because they are the like fractions. So 21 plus 23 divided by, or we can say by this one, in a denominator there is a asterisk, is equals to 1. Now 21 plus 23 is a 44 divided by this asterisk is equals to 1. So 1 should becomes only when there is a numerator and the denominator both the numbers are the same. So here 44 divided by, there should be 44. Okay, so if there is another number, means that is a fractions, or that is not equals to the 1. So this asterisk is must be 44, that is the meaning. Or another way, here this asterisk, so both side we will make the multiplication of this asterisk. So here asterisk is getting cancelled, and here the asterisk multiply by means asterisk, so asterisk value is 44, like this one also the way of the calculation. So means the 44 is the answer, and 44 is given in option number 3. Now question number 3, if 15 by 17 minus there is a one box is equals to 8 by 17, then which fraction should replace the box? So here in answer there is also the 17, means of course this is the fractions with the same 17 at the denominator. Okay, means we can say 15 minus this box by 17 is equals to 8 by 17. So now only the numerators we will consider, because the denominator is the same. So 15 minus something is equals to 8, means 8 minus 15 minus 8 is a 7, means 15 minus 7 there is a 8. So in a box there should be the 7. So 7 is given, means 7 by, here 7 by 17, and this fraction is given in option number 1. Now question number 4, 2 by 7 multiplied by 9 by 11 is equals to how much? Now this is a multiplication of the fractions, and we already seen for the multiplication, numerator has to multiple and the denominator has the multiplication, and if there is a common factors in a numerator and the denominator, that has to take out or that has to cancel. So, but here no any common factor, so 2 multiplied by 9 means 18 and 7 multiplied by 11 means 77, means that is as 18 divided by 77, and this is given in option number 4. Now exercise 16.1 on page number 260. So there is a question number 1. So now here we have to make the like fractions, all these two are the like fractions, but this is the denominator having the 2018. But if you see 1009 multiplied by 2, then we are getting the 2018. So for this, making the denominator same, we have to multiply here by 2 and here also by 2. Okay, so this 312 divided by 1009 multiplied by 2, so this same multiple of the 2 in a numerator also, plus 706 divided by 2018 plus here 344 divided by 1009, here also we have to multiply by 2 and the same multiply by 2 in a numerator also. So now 312 multiplied by 2 means 624 plus this 706, keep it as it is because there in a denominator 2018 plus this 344 multiplied by 2 means this is a 688, and in a denominator there is a 2018. So now after this all the additions means this 600 plus 700 1300 plus 600 1900, after this one 24 plus 6 is a 30 and 18 plus 13 means that is a 118. So 19 plus 118 means 2018 divided by 2018. So here also we can make our answer, or we can give this is as a 1, but in our option that up to this step that is the answer shown, so we will keep up to here. Sometime in exam 1 is showing, so if there is a 1 available in option, so choose that option because there is a 1 is also answer, because both the numerator and the denominator are the same number. So now option number 4 is the correct because this step is given in option number 4. Now question number 2, 29 by 6 minus 13 by 6. Now here both are the like fractions because their denominator are the same, so we will make the numerators subtraction. So 29 minus 13 by 6 as it is because the denominator are the same. So 29 minus 13 is a 16, so 16 by 6. Now 16 by 6 means option number 3 is correct. Now question number 3, 22 by 35 minus star is there or asterisk by 35 is equals to 7 by 35. Now all the denominators are the same, means all are the like fractions, means the numerators operations has to carry out. So 22 minus something is equals to 7, or we can say 22 minus 7 is equals to the asterisk, means 22 minus 7 is the 15. So this is should be the 15, and 15 is given in option number 3. Now question number 4, 15 by 7 plus 6 by 7 minus 2 by 7, this is in bracket, after the bracket minus 4 by 7 is equals to how much, means we have to solve this one, we have to find out the answer. All are the having the denominator same, means all are the like fractions. Okay, so here 15 by 7, 6 by 7, this addition we will do the first, means because this is the left side additions, and after this one we will solve this subtractions. Okay, so after this bracket solve, then only we will do this subtraction operation. Okay, so these additions, or we can say parallelly also we can do this addition and the subtraction in a bracket. So in a bracket, 7 keep it in denominator, 15 plus 6 minus 2, after the bracket 4 by 7. So 15 minus plus 6 is the 21, minus 2 means 19 by 7, then 4 minus 7. Now here also the denominator are same, means these are the like fractions, so 7 keep it as it is. 19 minus 4 means 15, so 15 by 7, and 15 by 7, this 15 by 7 is given in option number 3. Now question number 5, if 11 by 13 minus there is a box is equals to 6 by 13, so then which fraction should replace the box? So here the fraction is there, means in a denominator there should be the 13, because here also 13 and in answer also 13, means these are the like fractions. So when the denominator, or we can say the like fractions are there, the numerators operations has to carry out. So here 11 minus box is equals to 6, or we can say 11 minus 6 is equals to box. So 11 minus 6 means 5, so 5 by 13, that is a fraction, and that is given in option number 1. Now question number 6, how much is the shaded portion less than the unshaded portion in a given figure? So there is a one figure like this one, so square figure, and after this one there is a vertical line to make it in two parts. After that one the cross sections, cross lines, and here also cross line. Oh, I missed out this one. So like this one. Okay, so this is a shaded portion shown, and this one also shaded portion shown, and this half portion at the top one is shaded portion shown. So if you see, this portion is a same as this one also. Okay, because this line is making the, and this line making the, and this line making the parts. Okay, so if you do the one more line, or we can cut this one, so total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 equal parts there. So total are the 8 parts. Okay, out of this one shaded portions are 1 2 and 3, and unshaded portions are 1 2 3 4 and 5, so 5 by. So now we have to calculate the difference, because how much is the shaded portion less than, shaded portion is less than, now this 3 is the shaded portion, so that much less than this one, because this is the bigger one, 5 is the bigger one than this 3. Okay, so 5 minus 8, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, so 8 is the same, means denominator should be 8. 5 minus 3 means there is a 2, so means 2 by 8, or we can say 1 by 4. Sometimes it's a given 1 by 4 after the reduction, but 2 by 8 is available in our option, so 2 by 8 means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 7, 16 by 31 plus 19 by 31 minus 14 by 31 is equals to how much? Now in this one, first we will carry out the additions, because this is a left sides. Okay, and as per the board mass rule also, we have to first carry out the additions. So 16 plus 19 should be there, because the denominators are the same, means the like fractions are there, so we can do the numerators operation. So 16 plus 19 means there is a 35, so 35, so this is the 35 by 31 minus this 14 by 31. So after this one, 35 minus 14 has to take, so 35 minus 14 means 21 by 31, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 8, if the sum of 7 by asterisk plus 9 by asterisk is equivalent to 1, means is equals to 1, equivalent to 1 means means this two fractions addition is equivalent to the 1, means equal to the 1, what same number should replace the asterisk? Now here 7 plus 9 we have to take, because here the asterisk same number are there, means there is a same, or we can say the like fraction. So here the asterisk should be same, 7 plus 9, here the 16, so 16 and then is equals to 1. So when the numerator and the denominator both are the same, then only the answer is 1, or we can say 1 by 1, means the asterisk should be the 16, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 9, for getting 3 as a sum, how many times will you add 6 by 18 to 6 by 18? Okay, means this 6 by 18 is there, and how many times this 6 by 18 we have to add so that we can get the answer 3. Now everywhere this 18 is there, means of course there is also the 18, but after the reduction there is a 3 is there. Okay, means we can say there is a this asterisk, or we can say the box is there, upon 18 should be there, and this is equals to the 3. Okay, means after this additions of the all the numerator, because 18 in a denominator all are the same, because this same 16 by 18 has to added repeatedly, means all the denominators are the same. So we can say this something after the additions of the 6. So this number we don't know. Okay, this is depending on the how many times we are adding, means as the this unknown number divided by 18 is equals to 3, then we can say this is the division, then we can transfer to the here in another side to the multiplication, or both side we can do the multiplication. So this empty box, or we can say unknown, is equals to 3 multiplied by 18. This is a 54. Okay, now so 54 comes here when 6 is sometimes added. Okay, so how many times we have to add so that we can get the 54? So 6 multiplied by 9 is there, means we can say there is a additions of this 6 in a 9 times. Okay, but here already 6 by 18 is there mentioned, and how many times we have to add this one, means this is a one time already mentioned, so other times we have to give, means that is a in answer we can say 8 times we have to add this 6 by 18 in this one. Okay, so this is a 8 times, and then this is a 1, so that's why we can say 6 multiplied by 9. So 8 is there in option number 3. Now question number 10, 1/3 part of the number is 33. So 1/3 means 1 by 3 of the part of a number. A number means there is unknown, so multiply by this, suppose there is a box, is equals to 33. Now this 1 by 3 here multiplication, so we will shift to the this another side, so this box is equals to 33 multiplied by 9, or we can say this 3 is here division, so both side we will multiply by 3. So here 3 multiply, and here also 3 multiply, so this 3 get cancelled, this 3 get cancelled, so 33 multiplied by 3, this steps comes, so means 33 multiplied by 3 means 99. So that number is a 99, means option number 1. Thank you.